Looking for an all-in-one toolkit to maintain your mechanical keyboard? The Frienda 12-pack Keyboard Lube Switch Puller Kit might just be your new best friend. Let's break down what makes this set a practical choice for both keyboard enthusiasts and general cleaning tasks. First, the purpose. This kit is designed for the essential jobs of keyboard maintenance, removing keycaps, pulling switches for lubing or repair, and cleaning those hard-to-reach grooves. But its utility cleverly extends beyond your desk. The standout feature is the comprehensive package. You receive 12 tools in total. That includes a wire key puller, a simple U-clip, an IC chip puller, a DIY drawing pen, perfect for applying lubricant precisely, a wire shaft puller, a handy groove cleaning brush with a built-in dustpan, and 6 round key pullers. The quantity means you have spares and the right tool for different keycap styles. In real-world use, the serviceable material is a pro. Made from quality steel wire and durable plastic, these tools feel reliable in hand, resisting bending or breaking during use. They make switch removal and keycap popping significantly easier and safer than using makeshift tools. The variety of pullers ensures compatibility with nearly any mechanical keyboard. A unique advantage is its wide application. While perfect for keyboard cleaning, these tools are brilliantly effective for household chores like cleaning window tracks, sliding door grooves, or appliance crevices. It's a versatile cleaning kit in disguise. For context, compared to buying individual branded keyboard tools, this kit offers tremendous value and variety in one affordable package. A practical tip: use the round key pullers for standard keycaps and the wire puller for larger, oddly shaped keys. The groove brush is exceptionally handy for dusting out switch housings. Are there cons? The DIY drawing pen is very basic, and the plastic on some pullers is functional rather than premium. But for the price and completeness, it's hard to fault. In closing, if you're into keyboard customization or simply need a detailed cleaning set for tech and home, the Frienda 12-pack kit delivers impressive utility without complexity. It's a straightforward, effective solution that gets the job done. Thanks for watching.